Are you looking for the best airsoft rifles to dominate your next game? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 airsoft rifles of 2026, from beginner-friendly budget options to high-performance rifles built for serious players. We've carefully selected these rifles based on power, FPS, accuracy, build quality, reliability, and upgrade potential, so you can find the perfect match for your playstyle. Whether you're into close-quarters battles or long-range outdoor combat, there's something here for everyone. Modern AEG rifles are especially popular thanks to their versatility and ease of use, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced players alike. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Stick around, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which airsoft rifle is right for you. Number 1. SIG Sauer MPX Rifle and P226 Pistol Bundle. The SIG Sauer Airsoft Bundle is a perfect choice for airsoft enthusiasts. This kit includes the MPX rifle and the P226 pistol, both designed by SIG Air. With a 6mm caliber and a velocity of 300.00 feet per second, these airsoft guns deliver a thrilling gameplay experience. The 1-year limited warranty ensures your peace of mind. The MPX rifle offers accuracy and power, allowing you to hit your targets with precision. The P226 pistol is compact and easy to handle, making it ideal for close-quarters combat. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this SIG Sauer Airsoft Bundle will provide endless hours of fun and excitement. What we like: sturdy and realistic build, good value for the price, decent accuracy and range, strong spring mechanism, fun backyard use. What we don't like: occasional charging handle issues. Plastic parts may break over time. Number 2. Lancer Tactical Gen 2 Airsoft M4 SPR Interceptor AEG. The Lancer Tactical Gen 2 Airsoft M4 SPR Interceptor AEG is a great choice for airsoft enthusiasts. It features a nylon-reinforced body, durable metal trigger and controls, and a polished 6.03mm tight-bore inner barrel for improved air seal and accuracy. The full metal version 2 rear-wired gearbox provides easy battery access and ample space, and the high-capacity magazine holds 300 rounds. The gun also fires in full auto and semi-auto, with a functional safety, and comes with a 9.6V nunchuck battery and charger. Customers have praised its accuracy, durability, and realistic feel. What we like: high build quality, long battery life, realistic appearance, durable construction, ready to use out of box. What we don't like: magazine feeding issues, occasional product defects. Number 3. Gameface GFR37 PKT Warrior Protection Kit. The Gameface GFR37 PKT Warrior Protection Kit is an affordable solution for those making their first forays into airsoft combat and backyard fun. The kit includes a spring-powered, single-shot airsoft rifle with a 400-round capacity reservoir and speeds up to 350 frames per second, a spring-powered, single-shot airsoft pistol with a 14-round clip and speeds up to 200 frames per second, a black synthetic holster, and 1,000-count 6mm airsoft BBs. The rifle features an all-weather synthetic design, adjustable stock, and a Picatinny rail for your favorite accessories. The pistol has a fixed front sight with rear flip-up sight. What we like: great for gun safety training, lightweight and easy to handle, helpful customer service, good value for the price, spring-powered, no batteries needed. What we don't like: plastic construction feels flimsy, occasional durability issues. Number 4. GoldenBall M418 Tactical Airsoft Rifle. The GoldenBall M418 Airsoft Rifle offers an adjustable tactical stock that not only provides comfort but also includes a handy battery compartment for your convenience. Made from durable ABS plastic, this rifle is built to last, making it a reliable choice for airsoft enthusiasts. You can switch between semi-automatic and full automatic firing modes, giving you the flexibility needed during intense gameplay. Additionally, the high-capacity 320-round magazine ensures that you can keep the action going without frequent interruptions, allowing you to focus on your strategy and enjoy the game. What we like: solid build quality, accurate shooting, adjustable stock, includes red/green dot sight, good starter airsoft gun. What we don't like: occasional feeding issues, rare durability concerns. Number 5. GoldenBall D99 LPEG M4 Airsoft Rifle. The GoldenBall LPEG M4 Airsoft Rifle is designed with safety in mind, featuring a visible orange safety tip and a functioning safety for added peace of mind during gameplay. This full automatic electric rifle is easy and convenient to use, providing a comfortable and authentic shooting experience with its retractable 2-position stock and lightweight realistic look. The gravity hopper located in the scope makes it easy to reload and doubles as a 300-round top-fed BB magazine. With a muzzle velocity of approximately 150 to 160 fps with 0.20 GBBs and 200 to 210 fps with 0.12 GBBs, this rifle is perfect for backyard games and target shooting. What we like: durable build quality, fast shooting speed, good for beginners, fun for all ages, easy to use. What we don't like: stock material could be stronger, charging instructions unclear.